Hi folks, welcome back. Mark this iconic day cause today we're gonna start giving life to our markers. So let's proceed with step 51. We gotta use the RGB function in our linear gradient function, and we can call it the first color argument to our red marker. Since it's the red marker, why not set the first color argument to pure red? But you won't see it yet. Step 52. Let me tell you why we can't see it yet. That's because linear gradient function needs at least two color arguments to work. So gradients either consist of many shades of the same color or multiple colors that blend from one to the other, right? That's why it needs at least two arguments. Let's add second color argument to the same linear gradient function and set it to pure green. Step 53. Now this might look like an haunted litmus paper with smooth red and green gradient. But good thing is, linear gradient function can accept as many color arguments as you want, but minimum should be at least two for it to work. On that note, let's add another one, the third color argument to same linear gradient function and set it to pure blue. Now you get second-hand, used, scary-looking litmus paper. Step 54. If you notice, the colors are polite enough to share equal spaces in the marker, but we're gonna teach them to behave the way we want by using color stops. Color stops are a length unit like pixel or percentages that follow a color in the linear gradient function. Let's say we want red color in the red marker to occupy 75% of the total marker space, then we gotta add 75% color stop after the first red color argument. Now you can see red occupies 75% space, left out space is 25%, in which both green and blue takes 12.5% each. Step 55. Now we know the basics of linear gradient and color stops. So we can finally start giving life to our marker. Let's start with red 1. We need to change gradient direction of 90 degree to 180 degree. So 90 degree used to split up space vertically. 180 degree gonna split up space horizontally. Step 56. Now let's set the color stop for red to 0%, green to 50%, and the blue to 100%. It's kind of started looking like a 3D object now, right? Step 57. Okay. Now we gotta start giving shades to red part of the red marker, which the first color argument. In the first color argument, let's change red value from 255 to 122, green to 74, and blue to 14. Step 58. Let's modify our second color argument, which is currently pure green. Set the RGB function of the second color argument so the value for red is 245, green is 62, and blue is 113. Step 59. Now let's modify our third color argument. Set the red as 162, green is 27, and blue is 27. Notice how red value is highest among all the color arguments. That's because it's our red marker. We finally gave birth to the three-dimensional red marker. Feel proud and pat yourself harder until you can actually feel it. We can give shape to our marker later. No worries. Step 60. If you are on cloud 9 already, land back on Earth because there's two more markers left to work on. Firstly, change the background color property of the green marker to just background. Alright guys, that's all for today. Hope you guys share, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you all living legends in the next one.